Breaking news. Judge absence still suit seeking to stop Kyari's extradition. Hello, my wonderful people. We brought you up to speed that the U.S. and Malami federal government has concluded plans for Kyari's extradition. But guess what? The North has filed a suit and to ensure that a judge, that the court will say on this ground, on that ground, Kyari cannot be extradited to the US. The date for his extradition is yet to be fixed. However, some persons have taken it. We all know that the Northerners have taken it to court. But guess what? Today being the day where the court will decide and look into that matter if Kyari should be extradited and why he should not be extradited. The court date came, and guess what? The judge was absent from the party. He was not there to coordinate and to ensure that the party goes on as planned. And so the matter is stayed, and this is what is happening now. Kyari, if the judge did not come, so case was not continued. So if this continued, Kyari would definitely be extradited. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Thank you. Judge absent still suit seeking to stop Kyari's extradition. The absence of Justice Donatus Okorowo of Federal High Court Abuja on Thursday, today 10th of February, stayed the hearing of a suit filed by a group against the police and Malami over the suspension of DCP Kyari and his extradition to the US. Although counsel to the applicant, the Incorporated Trustees of Northern Peace Foundation Hassan was in court, the court registrar apologized over the inability of the judge to come and to sit in court to hear the suit. The matter, which was on number 6 on the court list, was however fixed for April the 4th for further hearing. Until then, Kyari cannot be extradited out of the country because a lawsuit is ongoing, which is a legal proceedings to see if he can be extradited. So these are all delay tactics, yes, part of things to delay the whole matter. The matter was on number 6 on the cost list, however, fixed for now April the 4th for hearing. The news agency for Nigeria, NAN, also reported that the matter could not proceed on January due to the absence of counsel to the plaintiffs. That was on January 12th, from which it was moved to today. And today now, the judge could not come. The thing is, if this case still continues, it cannot be extradited. It can't. Exactly. Justice Okowo then adjourned the matter for today for hearing, and now it has been moved again to April. News Nigeria reports that the foundation in a suit the mark number is there, to stop the police and the Attorney General of the Federation from arresting and extraditing DSP Kyari to the US. The suit, filed on August the 9th, 2021, is praying the court to grant a temporary order of injunction against the police and AGF pending the hearing and final determination of the suit before anything regarding extradition on Kyari could proceed. So this suit that is going on, without this suit being concluded as it stands, Kyari may not be extradited to the US. Okay, you understand me now? No, it may not be extradited to the US, and this matter may just be there. It may not be extradited to the US. So that's what it is. Whoever it is, the northern group who has filed this suit do not want Kyari to be moved to the US, and so it's either their counsel will not come, one person will not come, so it's just a delay tactics. However, the Attorney General told us that he's working in line with the US. He's ensuring that he's following protocol. They are doing all they can to ensure that at the end of the day, Kyari that the investigations they carried out, they found out that there are reasonable grounds on which he can be extradited to the US, and on that ground they want to, they feel he can be extradited, and so those matters are on ground. Yes, those matters are still on ground, but right now this suit now seeking is to ensure that nothing happens to him, he's not extradited and all that. Those are part of the delay tactics. So my wonderful people, this is all that is happening. Kyari, as we can see, the people are working to ensure that he's not extradited to the US. He's kept in Nigeria, although he's celebrated COP yet, but he has been entangled with a lot of other things, that is unheard of. Okay, what they've been doing and they've been getting away with it kind of seem like it's coming back in the butt to bite. And the matters is that it may not, okay, it may not come out the way they've thought. So these are some of the things happening, and Abba Kyari is still where he is. The North is still crying out that nothing must happen to him. He must not be extradited. So, my people, Abba Kyari, the US has ordered that he should come, and I can assure you that the US is unforgiving in matters relating to, this, especially when it has to do with money laundering, fraudulent activity, then it's involving. I don't understand what Nigerian government think they are doing, the IGP of police and the rest of them. Do you know this is keeping Nigeria in a very bad light in the international scene? They are looking at like Nigeria like a country that is very unserious. First of all, Pantami's issue, and a minister still serving. Nothing was done in that regard to ensure that Pantami was dealt with or the matter was investigated. They swept it under the carpet. And now, a security agency, who is supposed to be dispensing truth, is one of the persons apparently who has been lying and doing some very funny, shady things. Don't you think the world is watching us and asking what kind of country this is? Don't you think that they are watching and they are in their mind, they're asking what kind of country is this? Where security agencies are the ones, shielding and hiding those who are committing atrocities and pretending like all is well. Don't you think they are doing that and they are wondering in their heart and in their mind, like what kind of country is that? Don't you think? So that's where we are at the moment. Those are some of the things happening, and we are sincerely wondering, okay, when Nigerian government is going to take cue and do the right thing and not, lie to us and continue to rubbish us in the international scene. Leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.